Hi, my name is Kaylee Harper, and I am a freshman honors psychology student doing my video diary, which is my pre-evaluation for the Healthy Living Project. So the first topic is nutritional and fitness pre-evaluation. One of the first questions is, what do you discover after recording your data for one day? So what I discovered is that I don't really eat full meals, nor do I exercise as much as I should. So during those days, I would eat like pizza rolls or just fried food for nutrients, just because it was easier for me to get. And I do this because I don't really plan time to have a full meal, and I just have a really busy schedule. And it's the same reasoning for my exercise. It's hard for me to plan that out and then keep that habit. For my second question, which is, are you eating healthily? No, I'm not eating healthily or healthy. I eat a lot of fast foods, and I don't eat enough vegetables and fruits, unfortunately. And I eat a lot of carbs also. My third question is, are you drinking enough water? I don't drink enough water, but anytime I drink something, it's water most likely. So I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job at that. I could drink more, but I feel like I'm straight right now with how much water I drink now. D, are you getting enough physical activity? No, I'm not. Last semester, I got more physical activity because I had to walk from across campus 3 times out of the week. But now, since I was able to cater my classes more to where I live, I don't exercise. And like I said before, I just have a big schedule. So when I do try to work out, it just doesn't work out for me. No pun intended. My last question in this section is, do you get enough sleep, and where do you need to improve? So no, I don't get enough sleep. Recently, I've just been getting 5 hours of sleep, just because I am in campaign season for an SGA position. So I usually stay up till about 2 or 3, and then I'll wake up at 8 or 9, which is not a good habit. So that's where I need to improve. So having enough sleep will give me the ability to wake up early and actually feel rested. Most of the time I don't. And also it will help me be able to get to the gym, because I like going to the gym early in the morning, and get enough physical exercise for the day. And it also getting physical activity in the beginning of the day makes me more productive, because it's like, okay, like I just finished my workout, let me do this, let me do that. So yeah. So goals. Some of my goals that I have 5. So my first one is to get 7 hours of sleep per night. My second goal is to eat at least 1 full meal per day. So that means vegetables, fruits, grains, and protein. My third goal is to go to the gym twice a week. My fourth goal is giving myself a boundary on when to lay down, depending on my next day's schedule. So, as a college student, your day-to-day schedule changes depending on your classes. So if I need to wake up by 9, I'm going to lay in bed by 1. So just building that type of boundary. And then my last goal is to continue to drink water constantly. I could do better at that, but I feel like I'm doing pretty good, considering that I have a busy schedule, and I do try to make that a priority. So the last section is health and wellness, the health and wellness plan. So how am I going to implement these goals? My first goal, getting 7 hours of sleep. So some of the things I researched that would be best to complete this goal is, first, not having heavy meals later in the day or close to my bedtime. So that's something I have a bad habit of doing. I will eat not healthy, but eat heavy meals, or like a baked pizza before I go to bed, because I'm just really hungry, I didn't eat. And then also making a peeling night routine. So like doing a face mask, or watching a TV show to distress myself. Eating at least 1 full meal per day. So I want to create a scheduled time for me to actually go to the calf, because if I go to the calf, I will have a full meal because I have choices. So that time's gonna be 4 p.m. Going to the gym twice per week. So what I'm gonna do is put out the clothes on my desk the night before, so I have to do it in the morning, and also turning on the alarms for that early morning workout early in the day so I don't forget. Fourth goal, giving myself a boundary on when to lay down. I'm going to make a schedule so my work is done by 12 a.m. and remind myself of tomorrow endeavors and how I need to treat my body better before I make the decision to stay up longer. My last goal, continues to drink water constantly. I'm going to keep water in the fridge, because when it's room temperature, I won't drink it. And those are my goals. Thank you.